Imagine millions of wild animals moving across a giant grassy land all at once. This is the Great Migration, the most amazing natural show on Earth that you can see right now. Did you know that over 2 million wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles travel in a huge circle every single year? They are looking for fresh, green grass and cool water to stay alive. This journey happens in Africa between two big places called the Serengeti and the Masai Mara. It is like a massive parade that never stops because the animals always follow the rain clouds. How do they know where to go? Scientists think these animals can actually hear the sound of thunder from many miles away. They use their powerful ears to find where it is raining. The wildebeest are the real leaders of the pack. They are very noisy and strong, while the pretty zebras help by eating the tall, tough grass so the others can reach the short grass. It is a team effort. Each animal plays a special role in this group. They travel over 800 miles in total, which is like walking across almost 10,000 giant football fields together. Along the way, these animals must cross scary rivers. This is the most exciting and dangerous part of the whole trip. Thousands of animals jump into the water at the exact same time. But wait, there are big problems in the water. Giant crocodiles are hiding just below the surface, waiting for a snack. The animals have to swim very fast to get to the other side safely. On the dry land, hungry lions and sneaky leopards are also watching. They follow the migration because it is like a giant moving buffet. The travelers must stay together in a group for safety. Sometimes the weather is extremely hot and there's no water to drink for days. This makes the animals very tired and weak. They must keep moving or they will not survive the heat. The dust from millions of hooves makes it very hard to see. Imagine trying to run a marathon while wearing a blindfold in a sandstorm. That is what it feels like for them. Babies are born right in the middle of the journey. These tiny calves have to learn how to run within minutes of being born so they do not get left behind by the group. Now, are you ready for some wow facts? During the migration, wildebeests eat about 4,000 tons of grass every single day. That is like eating a giant mountain of salad for breakfast. These animals are also super fast. A wildebeest can run up to 50 miles per hour. That is almost as fast as a car driving on a busy highway in your hometown. The migration is so big that you can actually see the lines of moving animals from space. Astronauts looking down at Earth can see the trails of dust and the huge dark herds. Did you know that the migration helps the whole planet? As the animals move, they leave behind natural fertilizer that helps the grass grow back even stronger and greener for the next year. Zebras have unique patterns, just like our fingerprints. In the middle of a huge crowd of thousands, a mother zebra can find her baby just by looking at the special stripes on its back. Some of these animals are very brave. When a predator attacks, the male wildebeest will sometimes stand together to protect the babies and the females. They use their sharp horns to fight back. Let us look closer at the wildebeest. They are also called gnus. They have a big head, a shaggy beard, and thin legs. They look like they were built from many different animal parts. Their journey isn't just one straight line. They move in a circle. Starting in the south, they go north, then east, and finally back south again to follow the fresh, yummy green grass. During the wet season, the grass is full of vitamins. This is when the animals eat as much as they can to get strong for the long, dry walk that is coming very soon. Walking so far can make their feet very sore, but their hooves are like tough shoes that protect them from the rocks and the hot sand. They are built for long-distance walking. Sometimes they have to cross deep mud. It is very sticky. If an animal gets stuck, its friends will often wait nearby, but they must keep moving to find the water they need. The Serengeti can be a very loud place during the migration. Millions of animals are grunting, braying, and making noises all day and all night. It is never quiet on the African plains. Did you know that some birds travel with the herds too? Vultures fly high in the sky and watch the migration from above. They're like the cleanup crew of the big African savannah. The grass actually grows back taller after the animals have eaten it and moved on. This is because the animals help the soil by walking on it and giving it the nutrients it needs. Imagine this. A single wildebeest can travel more than 1,000 miles in a single year. That is like walking from New York City all the way to sunny Florida. Even though the journey is very dangerous, more than 200,000 new babies are born every year. This helps the herd stay big and strong, even when many animals do not survive. Scientists use special satellite collars to track where the animals go. They want to make sure the paths are safe from human buildings so the animals can keep moving for many years to come. Nature is so smart. The different animals do not fight for food because they all like to eat different parts of the grass. This means there is enough for everyone to have a snack. The Great Migration is often called one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. People from all over the planet travel to Africa just to see this incredible event with their eyes. But even with all our science, there is still a big mystery. How do the animals know exactly when to start moving? Some think it is the rain, but others are not so sure. Is it the smell of the air, or do they have a secret compass inside their brains? Scientists are still trying to figure out this puzzle, and maybe you will solve it someday. Nature is full of magic and questions that we cannot answer yet. Every year, the cycle continues, and every year, we learn something new about these brave travelers and their very long, amazing journey. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics or ideas you want to see next. See ya!